Right, hello everyone. Today we'll be doing a 50-minute quick wash inside the Altus Newing or Bridgestone Altus Newing washing machine. It is a 50-minute cycle because we're going to be doing some whites in this thing. So as you can see, extremely the Altus in rent on a 430-degree wash cycle, 8 kilogram of whites. It takes about 6 kilogram, which is not as bad as the 8 kilogram machine from Tightness in vintage wise, but however, it'd still be a good idea. So there's a movie some yeah, here we go. The Altus Newing washing machine on the quick wash. 3, 2, 1, start. Alright, here we go. Whites on a... Luckily, this machine does 1400 RPM on a quick cycle and it's 30 degrees. Yeah. I've put some detergent in already. I've put some Vanny. I've put Big Pod in there. It's now washing. Alright, it's kicked in now. And there goes the spin wash. There you go. He so that's actually just yeah. Well, that spins during with water inside just to get enough soap. That spins with soap inside. Well, tightness does the same. It's probably just because I've selected it or something. It's now washing for it says Rayof. So it makes this noise. Now the question is, can it spin up to about 800 RPM to get enough, get it to cut half of the rinse so it could, rinse like, about 4 load? Only a 4 load of, whites in there, so... It only takes about 40 minutes to wash on the Stain Expert, so it just... now it's going to decide to see if it spins or if it deciding what to do with the laundry the Altus is doing. Is it going to spin or is it going to rinse? Hi again. And it's going to spin.
Any dirty bowls or anything in your room, Luke?
No.
Sure, no glasses.
Alright, it's in the intermediate spin.
Off again in the morning, babe, yeah?
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
That's good. Luke, this is my phone on charge, baby.
YouTube video.
Have you done it?
Not yet.
Or are you going to need to hurry up?
It's deciding to. Oh. It is a bit of a feet machine now. So you can like, it's a machine that works. So ooh. So it's done its intermediate spin. I bet it's gonna like go on to its second spin now.
Dad with tissues in his
I
pockets.
assume so.
You have no pants, Luke. It's all over the floor, mate. Not getting washed.
Pig! Oh. I bet it's going to expect another spin. I was thinking about doing another spin again. It's clever, this washing machine, even though it's like a vintage one. I don't even know what. I don't know what year it's made in, I guess. Shame, really. I reckon about, I say 2001. I think 2000 can. Wow. Would you like to look at the back of the machine?
Yeah, I done that.
Yeah. Ish. So look at the back of this washing machine, and it was made in 24th of 24th of May the year 2000. So yeah, it's actually made in the year 2000, to be honest, which is a oh, definitely that's not gonna. Oh, definitely that's not gonna spin that. Bridgestone, do not spin that. It's rocking the machine. Oh. It's quite a level machine, to be honest. It's a I'm not sure if it has a oh, it's water comes on when the washing machine yeah, so the washing machine turns on when the water is washing. It's washing, the water turns on when the so it's tumbling like a tumble dryer now on its soft rinse, and it's made to do that. Right, it's on its final spin. It's up to 1000 RPM, but it's 1100 RPM, so that'll be the Oh. Oh. Now we're going to wait for the door to unlock. Oh, yeah. The timer has about 1 minute left. So there's one big long tumble to anti-crease, but you just go wait for the door to unlock and just wash your machine. Wait for your door to unlock. That. There you go. I think it's open now. Right, let's have a look. They're not bad, to be honest. They're not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna take them to hang outside and dry in the on the gun dig. Yes. So I could eventually decrease this thing. So yeah, so I go into all the creases and just talking about all this Bridgestone Altus Newing year 2000 wash. Yeah, it's Newing vintage year 2000 Bridgestone Altus Newing washing machine. It's been a pleasure to see it wash for the first time. But yeah, the damage. Well, not the. I meant the cleanest. I meant not the damage. Because we're not destroying this year 2000 washing machine. Yeah, because it's still a good working washing machine. helped me. Yeah. Well, thanks to Bridgestone, I think I've done it. I think it's done good, to be honest. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. What do you think about the wash cycle in the year 2000 Bridgestone wash machine? And see you later. Bye.